Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on temperature. Temperature is a very interesting concept which can be used in many settings. In simple terms, temperature involves the amount of heat or cold that is present. To add interest to this fascinating topic, we have a wide vocabulary to use. Words such as hot, cold, boiling, freezing, cool, lukewarm, warm, and chilly are just a few of the words that are associated with temperature. How do we measure temperature? The most common instrument used to measure temperature is called a thermometer. It has a scale measured in degrees. Here is an example of a simple thermometer. It has two scales, the Fahrenheit scale and the centigrade or Celsius scale. When somebody asks about the weather, they will normally be interested in the temperature for that particular day. The instrument to the left is called a thermometer, and it is used to tell us the temperature on any particular day. There are two scales, and many countries use one or the other. Some use both. Other types of thermometers. This thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a human being. It can be placed in the mouth for about 30 seconds. Cars have very sophisticated temperature gauges installed in them. The above thermometer can be placed in an oven because many foods need to be cooked at a specific temperature for a specific time. A refrigerator has highly sophisticated equipment for monitoring temperature. The inside of a normal fridge is about 4 degrees Celsius. This is essential to keep the food fresh. A freezer must be kept slightly below 0 degrees Celsius for the food to last for long periods of time. Water. Water is one of the most widely studied resources when it comes to temperature. It is said that pure water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. We can also see normal body temperature. So if we have 100 degrees Celsius there, that's where water boils. Normal body temperature is approximately 37 degrees Celsius, and water freezes at about 0 degrees Celsius. With respect to weather, the temperature may vary between minus 40 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, for example.